placed eosinophilic mass, this will form something called as the Hazel's corpuscles, which are around 30 to 100 micrometer long, and these Hazel's corpuscles will increase with the age. So that is indicating the senility of a person. So Hazel's corpuscles will increase with the age. So now this is the medulla what you are seeing. So in the medulla the lymphocytes are very less and or less dense populated, and hence what happens, this epitheliocytes will be seeming to be more. Okay, so here you are having the type 4, type 5 and type 6 epitheliocytes. Whatever the type 6 epitheliocytes are there, they are forming this something called as the Hazel's corpuscles. So this is the slide of the thymus what you are seeing. So the capsule, so you can see here again, these are some here, the cortex, the medulla. Okay, the cortex will not be continuous. So again this is the medulla here. You are seeing the some areas. So these are all the Hazel's corpuscles. So again here very clear. So that's why I focused this one. So this is the Hazel's corpuscles. So what is the function of these epitheliocytes? So one is they are supporting the lymphocytes. They are helping in the activation and the proliferation of the lymphocytes. Apart from that, they are secreting the hormones, that is the thymolin and the thymopoietin. So that is the other functions of the epitheliocytes. So you don't see the reticular fibers and the phagocytic cells associated with that here in the thymus. What you are going to see, instead you are going to see the epitheliocytes. That's why it is called as the lymphoepithelial organ, which is dual in origin. The lymphocytes are derived from the mesoderm and the epitheliocytes are derived from the endoderm. Okay, it is the only lymphoid organ which is undergoing the involution with the age. So you have got a cortex, you have got a medulla. Characteristic feature of cortex is darkly stained areas where you are seeing both the epitheliocytes as well as the lymphocytes, and in the medulla you are seeing mainly the Hazel's corpuscles or the epitheliocytes. So lymphocytes are less here, only the epitheliocytes are more. So whatever the cells are dying, they form this Hazel's corpuscles. So in the thymus there should be no confusion. You are seeing only the T lymphocytes. So from here the T lymphocytes will be seeded into the peripheral circulation. So this is about the histology of the thymus. So just I'll scan the whole of the slide. So what you are seeing, so cortex, medulla, you can see here everywhere darkly stained cortex, and the inner area which is light, that is the medulla. So in the medulla what you are seeing is mainly the Hazel's corpuscles. So once you see this, you should be sure that it is the thymus. So how you are going to differentiate each of these lymphoid organs? So first is the lymph node. Lymph node is a bean shaped structure where you have got a capsule, you have got the subcapsular sinus, the trabeculae, you have got a cortex, you have got a paracortex, and you have got a medulla. So in the cortex what you are seeing is mainly the lymphatic nodules, which may be primary and secondary. In the paracortex, mainly the T lymphocytes, medulla, medullary cords and the medullary sinuses. That is the histology of the lymph node. Histology of the spleen should be very clear. You have got a capsule, the trabeculae again. Trabeculae are very robust in the spleen. Then you have got remaining parenchyma is formed by the white pulp and the red pulp. White pulp, what are those? Again, it is the lymphatic nodules only. How we are going to identify it? By the presence of a arteriole within that, which is eccentrically placed, but still it is called as the central artery. So that is the white pulp. Remaining area with whatever it is, that is called as the red pulp. So that is the white pulp and the red pulp. Red pulp has got the again the splenic cords and the splenic sinuses. So that is the histology of the spleen. Then histology of the palatine tonsil, very clear it should be. So it is covered by a hemicapsule. So the medial surface is covered by the mucous membrane. So mucous membrane shows numerous depressions which are called as the crypts. So these crypts will be lined by the Stratford squamous non-keratinized epithelium, and along the sides of the crypts you are having mainly the lymphatic nodules, and opening into the crypts you will be having the numerous mucous acini. So that is the histology of the palatine tonsil. Then in the thymus, so very characteristic feature is the presence of these Hazel's corpuscles. within the medulla. So you have got a you have got a capsule, you have got the trabeculae. So numerous lobules are there. Each of these lobule will be having a cortex and a medulla. So what you are seeing in the cortex is mainly the densely populated T lymphocytes, which is appearing dark, and in the medulla you are mainly seeing these areas which are called as the Hazel's corpuscles. So this is the histology of the lymphoid organs, 4 lymphoid organs. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Have you got any soft copy of this slides from your seniors? Have you taken any soft copy? Last time they had prepared. Have you have taken?
No, no, ma'am.
No. No. Just ask one of your seniors. They have prepared one soft copy of all the since they had also they had taken the online classes for them also. So they have made a soft one full PDF, I think, of all the slides. So if possible, you ask any of your seniors and you can collect so that you can revise at home, because I know it is very difficult to analyze these slides on the screen what you are seeing. So what you see under microscope only it is difficult to remember. If you see on this screen also, I know it is very difficult to remember it. So anyhow, once you come again, it will be given as a revision for you all. But if you get somewhere the soft copy, please go through them and keep reading, because you all know already anatomy is volatile. So just whatever the topics are being taken now, just go through them once, so that once you come back, you will be prepared for all these things. It should not be again a new startup again when you come back. Okay? So keep reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it okay, all the lymphoid organs? If you have any
Yes,
doubts, you
ma'am.
can ask. Okay, fine then. All of you take care, stay home, stay safe. Then I'll be signing
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
I'm hearing only one or two voices. I think others are sleeping. Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
no.
ma'am.
Now I'm hearing. Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.